Sarah watched as Emily, once her inseparable companion, closed her bedroom door without a word. Silence had taken over their once lively home. One night, unable to sleep, she came across an article that made her heart race.
Could this be my answer?
She thought, over-controlling. It hit close to home. Work stole the time they used to share. Realizing her mistakes, she knew she had to act fast. But would Emily open up, or was it too late? Sarah summoned her courage and asked Emily to join her for a walk. And at that moment, their connection sparked back to life. It's never too late to rebuild the bond. Listen, understand, and be present. Small steps can bring big changes. Stay connected.